G'day, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about door seals available at Minisport. Now, before we go any further, this is for a wind-up window vehicle. So this will suit Grace, my 74 Leyland Mini. There are a couple of different types, whether it be sliding window, winding window, JDM Mini, etc, etc. Or if you have a Moke, it probably doesn't even have any. Now, these are a perishable item. So over time, just like a pair of shoes, you wear them every single day, 6 to 12 months later, they fall apart, you need a new pair, you replace them. If your vehicle is in the direct sunlight or even outside in the weather, this is something you do need to look into replacing, not so much on a regular basis, but at least every couple of years. It will refresh the car and it will do it justice, as well as enabling it to be somewhat watertight once again, if Minis were ever watertight at these. Now, like I said, there are a couple of different types, so whether it be door seals, window seals, Bailey channels, rear quarter windows, front and rear windows, there are a large variety. So depending on what you need and depending on the make and model of the vehicle, make sure you ask the guys at Minisport before you purchase it to ensure that you get the right one to suit your vehicle. So these are something you can do on a nice Saturday afternoon in the sun. They will take a little bit of caressing to be able to get back in, and they will be quite firm when you first start to close the door, but that's just the seal wearing in because it is nice and firm. So give it a couple of days in the sun, let it soften up, and then it'll be right to use. So if you're unsure which one to choose, make sure you hit up the guys at www.minisport.com.au, ask all the questions you can, and they'll be able to help you out with the questions. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.